In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates on Shopify. If you're ready to make sure every purchase reaches your customers smoothly, you're in the right place. Setting up the correct shipping rates is crucial for both your business and your customers, ensuring transparency in costs and delivery times. So let's dive right in. First, we need to begin by accessing your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in and on your store's homepage, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings menu. This is the control center for your store, where you can tweak various aspects to tailor your business needs. Look at the lower left of your screen, and you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click that. Once you've clicked on Settings, a menu will appear with various options related to your store's configuration. From this list, your next stop is the Shipping and Delivery option. This is where the magic of your shipping logistics happens. Click on Shipping and Delivery to access all the tools you need to handle different shipping scenarios. Now that you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, it's time to focus on the general shipping rates. Here, you'll see a brief overview of your current configurations. Your next step is to click on General Shipping Rates. Doing so will take you to a more detailed page that outlines your existing shipping zones and rates. If you aim to expand your shipping options, which is always a plus for customer satisfaction, click on Add Rate. This simple step lets you introduce new shipping methods, ensuring flexibility and choice for your customers. Once you click Add Rate, a new window pops up displaying a list of potential rates you can set. At this point, let's focus on adding an express shipping option, typically beneficial for customers needing their items in a hurry. Look for the option that says Express 1 to 2 business days and click on it. This will open a form where you can customize the settings according to how you want express shipping to function on your store. Finally, you come to the Custom option. This option allows you to define specific shipping rates tailored to your business strategy or customer needs, such as offering flat rates or free shipping over a certain order value. Click Custom to craft a shipping option that aligns perfectly with how you would like to manage shipping logistics at your store. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up shipping rates on your Shopify store, paving the way for a seamless shopping and delivery experience for your customers. Don't forget, as your business grows or changes, you can always return to these settings to tweak or add new shipping options as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Shopify store thrives with these new shipping options.